Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 2014 Toyota Corolla. It's the S model. So she's got the touchscreen here, reverse camera, country music, good sound system on it. It's got rims on it also that are awesome, and it makes it just look so sharp. Fog lights in the front, silver, which is a great color. So like I was saying, we gotta look at the Carfax to figure out how reliable a vehicle is. As you can see, ours does have a minor accident reported onto the Carfax. It's also a one owner, which is a whoop whoop. 11 service records. I always mess that up. Personal vehicle, 109 miles, and only owned here in beautiful California. So it has that accident, which totally sucks. We usually don't buy a lot of cars with accidents, but I do know that my dad specifically went to the auction just to look at this one, so there must be something about it. As you can see, it's idling perfect, temperature's good, we got good gas. And let's just go for a drive and we'll learn all we need to know about it. It's got these cool shifters in the back. Not sure if they work. Oh, I gotta put it in manual mode. Really ugly bumpy road here on Golden State. Wow, really impressed with the way I handled those bumps. You hear a little bit of here and there, but really stiff. I feel like I'm driving a brand new car. It's a 2014, so it's about 7 years old now. It's got 109 miles. But just everything in here, like the condition of the car, just feels brand new. The steering wheel, look at this right here, the stitching on it. Even the seats are cloth and black leather. Really nice. It's got almost a hint of red on it if you look at it from afar. And then it's got some blue and silver. Wow, just makes it look really elegant. Not even hitting the gas. I mean, I'm barely touching on it and the car just goes. Wow. Sun visor's working good. A reliable Toyota is, look at Scott Kilmer's video, which I'm not taking anything away from him. He's a good YouTuber. You know, I can't say nothing about no YouTubers, because, and same thing with car dealers. Once you don't know what it's like, that business, that industry, until you start doing it. And now that I'm doing the YouTube videos, I really like it. It's a lot of fun. I love all the positivity from all of you guys. And also, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And if you have one of these Toyota Corollas, let me know what year you have. Let me know the base model. Let me know how much miles it has, because I've seen these on YouTube, and I've seen one I think with 1 million miles on YouTube, and that's just insane. That's so awesome. And I gotta tell you, this reminds me of like 99 2000 Toyota Corolla. The body style a little bit, the interior not so much, but just that it's reliable and can go like 1 million miles. That's Toyota right there. Let's see what this 1.8 liter with the CVT transmission can do. Will she be reliable on the freeway? About 75. Woo! I'm going 80 miles an hour, and there you go. Just perfect. No shakiness in the wheel. There's no problem with the alignment. I mean, this thing has 109 miles and it's like brand new. So if you're in the market for something like this and you're looking for a used one, with these miles, it's still good. I'm going about 70. I slowed all the way down to 60. I was going 75. 75 all the way to 60. Right on the money. It catched perfectly. There was no shakiness in the wheel, no weird noises. Just perfect. One customer. It's starting to slow down. It's almost October. I do have my Halloween costume ready. Me and the family, we're all gonna be Star Wars. I'm gonna be Mando. My son's gonna be Baby Yoda or Baby Guru. Or actually, I think Guru's 30 years old, so not much of a baby if you're a big Star Wars guy. My girlfriend's gonna be Princess Leia. And then I have 2 dogs. I have like a Shih Tzu, Shih Tzu, and we got him a Baby Yoda costume also. And then I have a Chihuahua. My Chihuahua is gonna be Darth Vader. So it's just gonna be the best Halloween ever in the world. If we don't go trick-or-treating, we're planning to have a disco kind of party, kind of dance. They're planning like a disco dance. So if it's just us, like just my small family, we're just gonna have like a disco dance party, and it's just gonna be dope. Last year we went trick-or-treating, but we only trick-or-treated at one house. That was our house. Trick-or-treat. And then what we do is we walk around the house and come right back to the same door. And my girlfriend, she's so awesome. What she did is she dressed up differently every single time they went back. So we just did a circle around the house, and every time we come back, first she was a witch, then she dressed up like an old lady, and then she dressed up like a pirate. So she just had different costumes. She would just start throwing them on in a hurry, and it was just so much fun. Even though it was just us, man, this AC is freezing. Ice cold. I love this digital cluster. Look at this, like digital down here. Oh wow, I forgot to look at this. I got temperatures. Yeah, you just hit car right here and it tells you specifics about the car. I know for sure this car has Bluetooth. Right here it has there is no phone connected. Okay. And I don't think it lets you connect the phone because I'm driving. Driving for about 20 minutes now, and as you can see, it's idling just about perfect. The gas is good. There's no lights on. And it's going pretty good. Oh, I forgot this thing doesn't really ship. I was waiting for it to like shift and it never did. That was my bad. So yeah, I guess CVT transmission is a little weird. I mean, I've always liked it. I like that there's no shift or jump. You know, I almost feel like there's nothing to worry about. But some people don't like it. If you're one of those people, tell me why. I really want to know why. Nothing against you. I just want to know why. Very, very comfortable car. Very, very enjoyable. Built to last. Something I really like is the seats, because they always get destroyed and they crack, and that this is cloth in this part. That way it won't dry up like leather does and crack on you and then rip. So that is very nice. I like that they did that. And it's still leather, because you know, you always want to get leather. You want to get top of the line. So that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you down in the comments.